Okay, this is my very own dryer. Okay, this one's the on and off button, and this one is start or pause. This one is the selections you want to put, and these are the clothes that I just dried. Okay, let's empty them. Okay, in here.
Whose clothes are they?
These are my mom's clothes. Okay, so these clothes. Okay. Okay. Ouch. Okay. This one's off. Okay. This one's ending in. You're not supposed to press this or this one. Okay. Cotton's iron dry. This one is using the metal there to dry it. Cotton's cupboard dry. It's look like a few minutes plus. And this is the filter. Something is in here. Oh, sorry about this dust. Okay. Let's put it back. And I'm going to empty the water. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is so hot. Okay.
Why can you wait until it
Let's
is?
go. Okay. Just pour it out, and there you go. The washing machine said we need to just empty this one after a cycle. So if this refilling button is the emptying button is red, you need to empty it. Okay? Okay? I'm going to wash this thing. Okay? This thing, oh, my clothes just fall inside here. I don't know how to take it, but yeah. Oh no. Here you are. I'm going to wash it.
No. You take out the dust first.
Oh,
Take it into rubbish bin.
okay. That's so many dust. Okay. Put this in the rubbish bin. That's so disgusting. Okay. Okay. Make sure you're doing this. We need gloves just in case you're about to eat something, then your hands are dirty. Okay. Okay. Bring it on and back to the machine. Okay. Oh, I just put it the wrong way. Okay. And this one, jeans are for like jeans. Baby project is for baby clothes. Search 15 minute is okay. Search 15 minute is if you want to put it here. Sport, you can get it some minutes here, but I don't know. 10 minute, 20 minute, 40 minute, 60 minute. And cotton's iron dry. This one is using the metal, okay? I already tell you. Cotton's cupboard dry is look like 2 hours and 59 minutes. Okay. Cotton's cupboard dry plus, I don't know what's a minute. Okay. Cotton's extra dry also. Syntax iron dry. We just tried that, but just takes a little long, but my mom's clothes are still wet.
Because I'm using delicates.
Yep. Delicates are like just 59 minutes.
40 minutes.
Yep, 40 minutes. Freshen up is like, I don't know. Okay?
Okay, now finally, can you hang my clothes?
Okay.
Thank you.
You can take a video of me